Hi, and welcome to a new episode of VR for Non-Gamers, the channel that shows you that VR is more than just video games. And today, we're gonna play bowling using the application Let's Bowl VR. So, welcome to Let's Bowl VR. So basically, the goal of here is bowling. One of the nice things is that you have a lot of different room to play bowling. As you can see, they look pretty good graphically. So let's go to one of them and let's play. Okay, let's go to this one, for example. So here we are on the bowling alley. Okay, I have to be careful with not to hit my screen over there. But you can also reposition yourself if you want, I think. At least it's used to be available. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, here is the screen now, so it should be okay. Okay, so I can walk until the line, which is good. Well, then let's go bowling. Press the B or Y to open a game menu. Okay. Okay, one of the disadvantages is that you have this on your left hand. You cannot get apparently rid of it. Okay, let's take a ball. Here we go. Don't know if it's working will help, but let's do one step. So the goal of this game is to be as realistic as possible. So they worked on the physics and so on of the bowling. Ooh. Ooh, 3 points. And let's throw again. What was that? Okay, this shows that I'm not that good. Nice, 0. Bingo! Oh, almost. Okay, yeah. But basically, I think it's a matter of practicing and to see how it goes. There's something in the middle, apparently. Okay, so basically you get the picture, what it is. You can configure the sound, the music, graphics quality, resolution, reflection. So you also have like a career, challenges, and multiplayer is coming soon, but This game was released quite some while ago, so I wouldn't bet on it on having multiplayer yet. So, and also I've been having the game for a few months, and this is still coming soon. So, I can show you, for example, another room. Here you see another decor. Graphic looks excellent. Ooh, no. Oop, sorry. So as you can see, I'm not a specialist, but my guess is I would do about the same score. Oh, strike! In real life. So maybe if you're playing bowling regularly, that you can also hit strikes on strikes. So now let's compare Let's Bowl VR with real bowling. Well, Let's Bowl VR gives you a bowling alley at home. You also have like multiple places, so you can change your kind of decoration and so on, the ambience around you. And you have unlimited playtime, so you don't have to pay per game or per half hour or per hour. On the other side, with bowling, even it's less ball VR that try to go as close as the physics. With real bowling, you have, for example, the real weight of the ball. And it's much more fun to play with friends bowling. And you get to wear some beautiful shoes with real bowling. So Let's Bowl VR, it costs like about $18, and real bowling per game that you play or per hour, whatever it is, you're gonna pay $20. So let's compare now both. What's the verdict? And I would say it's feel pretty real in this case that you're playing bowling. The physics is good, the quality of the image is very good. So yes, I would recommend it in my case. I like it. Thank you for watching. Okay, and see you at the next episode of VR for Non-Gamers.